Good morning, I'm Todd with Renville Sales Inc. and we're here to do a walk around with the on this Diamond C FMAX210 and point out some of the favorite features. I do want to point out right away, this is a standard stocking trailer for us. We stock this in the FMAX210 in 32 foot, and we also stock it in the FMAX212 in 35 foot. So we're going to start up front here. They've switched over to the cables now instead of the chains for the safety cables up front. We've got the nice Diamond C 3D logo up front. They run a 12-inch engineered beam. One of the best features we're going to see up front is you got this nice toolbox for storage up here. Store all your chains and your straps. Along with that, your spare tire handle is stored in there also. Diamond C does not put their spare tire up in the neck, so if you have a flat tire, you don't have to try and get that down from the neck by yourself. It's actually stored up underneath, just like a spare tire on a car or a pickup is. Very handy feature. One of the really unique features on this trailer are going to be the hydraulic jacks. There's no cranking this up and down to your truck. You can lower it right down to your truck, hit another button, you're taking it right off. You're using the tough wireless remote, and then there's also a corded remote for this system. All this is going to be run by a pump and battery system that we'll show you as we get down the line. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the retractable step. There's going to be a retractable step on each side. How many times have you seen a trailer where the steps are all bent up? This one you can put up and out of the way. You've got a nice handle here to step on the step to get you up onto the trailer. Going to go ahead and move back here to the toolbox that stores the remote or the pump system and your battery. That's going to run not only your hydraulic jacks, it's also going to run the hydraulic tail. Now you do have a corded remote that comes with the trailer, but you then have the wireless remote, so you can carry that in. Say you're driving a skid loader or a tractor up and you want to be able to lift the tail from that machine, you can do that. You're also going to have a 110 charging system on this unit as well. So your battery will charge off your tow vehicle, but it also has a secondary 110. Now, one option you could always add to this trailer is you could add a solar charger also, so it would charge off the solar system. All the Diamond Cs are going to have a sway control system, sway control stamped right on the frame down there. They run an engineered beam on all their trailers. This particular trailer is a 210, so it's got two 10,000-pound axles. It's going to come standard with 14-ply tires on it. And of course, they're Lippert axles with the oil bath hubs, and then you've got the Vulcan oil caps on it. We're going to go ahead and move to the back end here now, and we're going to show you the hydraulic tail. So the tail's actually going to lift up a little bit before it goes to the down position. It's kind of taking the cylinders out of their lock position, so it's going to raise slightly, and then it's going to hydraulically lower. And this one is set up with the 12-foot tail is standard on a Diamond C. This one's got the Blackwood runners, and then it's got the traction bars at the beginning of the tail and the top of the tail. So when you're driving up, you got traction bars on it as well. Of course, standard treated wood floor on your deck besides the traction bars and the Blackwood. Powder coated paint finish. This is one of our best-selling colors. This one is done up in a cement gray. Several standard colors available on this trailer. You can pick a color to match your truck or your logo or whatever you want for your business. That's kind of a wrap up on this trailer. Renville Sales.